Hi, slimy friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something super colorful and super squishy. It's rainbow fluffy slime. First, let's look at what you'll need. We'll use clear or white glue, some liquid starch or a slime activator, shaving cream, food coloring in rainbow colors, a bowl for mixing, and something to stir with. Don't forget your measuring spoons. Okay, let's start with our glue. Pour about half a cup of glue into your bowl. That's a good amount for a nice batch of slime. Now for the fluffy secret. Grab your shaving cream. We're going to add about a cup of shaving cream to our glue. Give it a good mix until it's super bubbly and smooth. Time to make it slime. Slowly add your liquid starch or whatever slime activator you're using, 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix, mix, mix. You'll see it start to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Keep adding and mixing until it's not too sticky. Once it's mostly together, take it out and knead it with your hands. It will get less sticky as you play with it. Now, divide your plain fluffy slime into 6 equal parts. These will be our rainbow colors. Let's add our colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Add a few drops to each slime ball and mix it all in until the color is vibrant and spread throughout. This is my favorite part. Wow, look at all these beautiful colors. Now, you can play with them separately or stack them up and swirl them together to make an amazing rainbow swirl. So satisfying. Thank you for crafting with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our crafty fun. See you next time, slimy friends. Bye.